Hey, what's up my friends? Welcome to a quick review of this large knife, which is sold as the Purple Dragon Machete. But I tend to think of it more as a large knife. It's around the size of my beloved K-Bar BK9. 9¼ inches blade length, 14.9 inches overall length, 0.23 inches thick, 20.5 ounces in weight, 4CR13 stainless steel. That is a less expensive stainless steel, but remember, this is sold as a machete. 58 HRC. When I purchased mine, which was months ago, it was actually $30 on US Amazon. What happened, they had it for $60, but it was on sale like 50% off for $30. So I bought it, and a few months later, this same thing popped up on Temu, and then it was even cheaper. I've seen this for $22 on Temu. It does come with a bare bones leather sheath, and that is it. It's got a belt loop there, retaining strap there, and that's the sheath. You've got a finger choil there, and you've got some contours, right, handle grooves there, a depression there. It's got an integrated guard right there and a lanyard hole. So what is a knife like this for? Well, they're saying machete, and if you were to use this to clear vegetation and clear brush, then okay, then I would call it a machete if that's what you're using it for, because that's a classic machete use. Now the brand Purple Dragon, I think I saw that, back in 1969 at Woodstock. I think I saw some Purple Dragons. Now, just kidding, I was not born yet at that time, but okay, YouTube, that was the quick and dirty overview. Now I'm narrating this in the middle of the night. I don't know if you can hear the crickets, but as soon as possible, I am going to get out there and put some usage on this. All right, I have here 3 pieces of birch. We're going to transform them into thinner pieces. Are you ready? Here we go. Just putting some use on this blade. It's fairly thick, it's tough, it's good for this. It's good at splitting. Hope you're all doing well. Got a lot of birds out. It's a fine, whoa. Yeah, they want to be in the video. It's supposed to rain a little later today. Where is it? I don't see it. All right, one more piece. Two more splits. There you go. So you get the idea. This thing is tough, it's thick. If for some god-awful reason you only had this and a baton or an improvised one, you could do some splitting. There's a bee, wants to be in the video. And there's a look at the edge. I'm sure it's fine, but we're gonna cut more things anyway. And I'm gonna chop on this branch. Now this wood is tough and nasty. How do I know? Because I already chopped it, because I had to chop it down to size before it would fit easily in the shop. Sorry for the wind. All right, here we go. That's as good as it's gonna get. There you go. More dangerous testing from me. Somebody said that chopping with a knife is a safety issue. Okay, Well, you're right. You know, I chopped with a knife and my testosterone went way up. I'm going to do some chip carving because it's a big heavy blade. It's got some weight behind it. So we're going to use it like a woodworking hatchet. Alright, chip carving. And the birch is pretty easy. Alright. I hope you're all doing well. Oh, I'm glad the wind died down. That wind is crazy. Went from gusting to none. And the cicadas. Okay, so now that we got a spiky shape, we can finish it with the more traditional whittling type carving. Alright. Alright. Until we have a nice vampire steak. Alright, so after splitting and carving, is this thing still sharp? I would say so. This is a strap like a seatbelt, heavy duty, nylon. There you go. Here's some rubber tubing. There you go. So the edge is no worse for wear after that light use. Yeah, it's me. What's up? Just gonna carve this. I feel like there has to be, I have to appear in every video, proof of life, right? Especially if I don't post for a while. Hope you're all doing well. There's all kinds of gnats and things here. Real world? The hell's that? Another pointy stick. You guessed it. This thing ain't bad for the price. I think you see that. So there you go. Another one. Yeah, this thing, I mean, you could definitely get a lot of work out of this. You know, this will pay for itself. I like it for the price. It's very thick. It's very tough. It can chop. It can do some splitting if you had to. And I mean, look at it. It's big steel for a low price, so there's always going to be a place for that. I mean, a lot of people will just buy this because of just coolness factor. So how's the edge after a little bit of rough use? It's fine. Now, I did not do a paper test with this on camera, but if I remember correctly when I first got it, it does require some sharpening out of the box. All right, so this will require some sharpening out of the box. I think I've seen this for $22 on Temu. So is this worth $22? Absolutely. Absolutely. It's basically, it's almost like a poor man's BK9. Alright, fuck all. I've like stopped and started this like 3 times because of the wind. So I don't even know what's going to make the video. It'll probably be incoherent. But, so if you like videos like this, leave a comment. Damn, this thing looks even more impressive through the viewfinder. Look at that. Will that be the thumbnail? I don't know. But yeah, I hope you liked this video. I'll include links if they're still, if these things are, if this is still available. But yeah, Purple Dragon. Yeah, just like 1969. Alright, this has been We All Juggle Knives. I'm out.